Hello, welcome to Lamarck School of Art. In this video, I will show you how to use our online learning platform to study our courses. Visit our website www.lamarckinstitute.com and hit the login button on your top right corner. Once you land on this page, enter your registered email ID and the password. Hit the sign in button to log in to the course. After signing in, it will take you to your student dashboard. You will see all the list of courses you have subscribed for. Select the course that you wish to study. In this case, I will select Digital Photography for Beginners PH 210111. Once you enter the course, you will see the chapters and the lessons included on the left hand side and the content on the right hand side. The content could be in any format. In this case, the first lesson is a message from your instructor, which is a video and a text. Keep clicking on Complete and Continue button to progress to the next lesson. To study live online, hit the Join Meeting button and it will take you to the live session. Once you enter the classroom, you can attend the live session. And at the end of the session, you will be redirected back to your course. After attending the live session, hit the Complete and Continue button to progress to the next lesson. Your next lesson could be a downloadable resource. You will find a download sign on the top right. Once you have saved the file, you can hit the Complete and Continue button to progress to the next lesson. Repeat these steps to progress till the end of the course. Congratulations! You have now successfully completed the course and you are ready to download your certificate.